Hello, we are live. Welcome everyone, it's Coach Scott here, and I can't wait to share with you how this Shopify store that I found selling these projectors are making upwards of $18,000 a day, $17,000 a day. They made almost $250,000 in the last 30 days, you guys. And I can't wait to share with you what they're doing and how they're doing it and how they're using the AI to make their winning videos to run on Facebook ads. So this is going to be super exciting. I love, running my advertising on Facebook and Instagram. I love TikTok too, but I like Facebook more. Facebook is king. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys this hot winning product. It's a projector, and you can put it in like the room of your kid or in your room if you're an adult. And it's supposed to have like a nice ambient, type of wave sound. And it has amazing lights, and it kind of lights up the ceiling. And we all know, if you've been in e-commerce, that little projectors, we pay around $8, $9, and we could sell it upwards of $69, $59, and it's got high profit margins. And that's what we're looking for when we want to win in this game of e-commerce, starting your own Shopify store. We need to have a high margin product, something that's going to make us some money, where we pay for our advertising, we're able to pay ourselves, and maybe a few employees if we want to scale this business. And I'll tell you what, you guys, the business that I'm about to share with you is actually got the right profit margin. So let me go ahead and share my screen. I'm going to show you guys what this is all about, and you guys can take a look at this product and do it and break it down for you right in front of you guys. So this is their numbers right here. Just in the last 30 days, they did about $246,000. They were hovering around $17,000 a day, $16,000 a day. They had a nice little dip where they were just hovering around like $4,000, $3,000 a day, and then they went back up to about $15,000. This is their product right here. It's called the Wave Lamp, guys. And I'm going to share with you how their videos are and reverse engineer their own winning videos, so you guys can see how we can go ahead and do it ourselves using the AI tool over here called VO3. So I'm going to share with you guys the AI tool. It's called VO3. I'm also going to share with you their winning videos, what's working for them right now. And I'll go ahead and show you that right now. This is unbelievable. This is one of their main winning videos that's crushing it for them on the Facebook ads. Let me go ahead and play this for you right now. Take a look. Look how simple that is. It's just basically a photo, and then they use the AI to kind of animate the photo into a video. And that's what I'm going to do right in front of you guys here today. I'm going to show you how exactly you can do that yourselves. So if you have a hot winning product, you can turn it into an AI video and do the same exact thing. And they got a lot of winning videos, guys, inside of their ad library here over here on Winning Hunter. Winning Hunter is one of my favorite tools to spy on different competitors. And I'll show you guys some of their other winning videos right here. Let me take a look. So they put it on the bed, and then boom, watch that. Look at that. Look how cool that is. So, of course, you want to have regular videos, that people can relate with, but you could also use AI too, and that's what it is that they're doing as well. So you guys see this photo over here on the far left. It says the most relaxing, slow, and subtle ocean wave lamp. Well, this is the photo right here, and all I did is I took this amazing photo. This is probably created with the AI, either Nano Banana or ChatGPT, and we can go remake this ourselves if we really want to. It's really easy to do. And then you go over here to VO3, which is the other tool, and you can make these for less than like 50 cents. Doesn't cost very much at all. Let me show you guys some of these videos that I made just now. This came out amazing. Let me play this for you right here. You can kind of hear the sound in the background of the waves, and you kind of see how it's moving around a little bit. You guys see that right there? This is an 8-second video that I made just in a few seconds right before this training. I wanted to go live and share with you guys. Let me share with you this one. See that? Look at that. Look how it's like appearing, and you can hear the waves in the background. You guys see that? Isn't that cool? Listen to that. And then it's kind of moving and everything. I think that's awesome. Let's play the next one. So all I did is I uploaded the photo of the winning photo, and then I asked the video to make the video. And it ended up making 4 different videos, so I get to kind of pick which one that I like the most. So we can kind of play the first one here as well. And look how it kind of lights up, and you see the ambient lights kind of moving around from purple to green. That is amazing. I love that. So that's what we're looking at, you guys. You can like basically bring all 4 of these videos into CapCut and then kind of merge them together and make like your own 19-second video, and maybe even put a different audio in the background, or even have someone talking a little bit, like how this lamp has been helped them, you know, get sleep at night, you know, feel better at night, or sleep better, or concentrate, focus, you know, whatever it helps people do. It obviously solves a problem if they're doing these type of sales right here, guys. Pretty incredible the sales that they're able to achieve with this product. Let me go ahead and show you the actual what they pay for this. So we can get this as low as like $8 or $9. It's over here on AliExpress for 11 bucks. But we can get this for around $8 or $9. You guys, always when you see the numbers on AliExpress, you can always get it lower when you're working with a private supplier. And I never let my students go work with AliExpress. Like, that's a big no-no. Everyone knows that, you know, you can order on AliExpress, like for yourself maybe, you know, like you want to order a product and test it out. But if you're going to order it for your customers, you want to have a private supplier. That's always a must. And so here it is right here. We can get this for around $8 or $9, and I love how they're selling it at 59 bucks. So this is how you guys want to do it here. This is a perfect store, crushing it right now, leading into Q4, selling a hot winning product, got great profit margins, $8 product, selling it for 59. They're using the AI to help with their video ads and making money. And I know that for a fact because over here on Winning Hunter, let me show this guys to you really quickly here. This is really important. So I'm able to see how long they're running this for. So let me give you an example here. Let me stretch this out here. Okay, okay, there it is. Okay, let me show this to you guys. You see how it says 98 days up there? I can see that they've been running this for 98 days. And when it's green, that means it's a good sign. Green means it's actually working, it's scaling. And it shows me their revenue, how much they made with this product. And this is not always accurate right here, this revenue number. But it shows me their ad copy, what they said, and what they said in their ad. And this is their video right here. So I ended up saving this because I knew how well it was, how well they were able to make this quick little video. It's only 6 seconds long, and they're able to scale this, guys, using the AI. That's amazing. We don't need production teams. We don't need to go hire anyone, and that's the crazy part about where this is all going with e-commerce now. It's going to make our jobs a lot easier. You don't need a production team. You don't even need to go on Fiverr and make you really cool photos or videos anymore. You can just basically take a really cool photo, add it over into the VO3, and ask it to make you a nice advertisement. So that is amazing. It's like we're going away from video production teams and we're going more into prompts. Whoever can prompt the right prompt. You know, whether you're going to make a video or a photo, that is the whole, you know, 2025 going into 2026, e-commerce, Shopify, dropshipping. The AI does pretty much everything for you. And so this is royalty-free video. It's your own video. You own it. You don't have to copy from anyone. You're not cloning anyone else's video. You're basically making your own version that you could either run on TikTok or Facebook ads, and you could either do both platforms with this amazing product. So this is how you guys can basically dominate Q4. You know, you got to learn how to make these AI videos. Are really simple. You first need a good photo of your product and then ask it to make you an advertisement. And you guys kind of saw me do it here today. We took the really cool photo and then we turned it into a video with the VO3. That's my favorite tool. I know there's Sora 2 out there nowadays. Sora 2 is a great tool as well. But VO3 doesn't have the watermark, and it's very inexpensive. Like, you don't pay very much at all with the VO3. And so everyone, if you want to get in front of the wave using the AI and making these videos, I highly recommend coming back to more future videos that I'm going to be making, because I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm making awesome photos that are converting for my own Shopify store. Right now I'm selling dining chair covers, guys. I did really well with dining chair covers the last year now. And I'm using the AI to make some amazing photos that are targeting my perfect buyers. And I had like a before and after, and that did okay. But now I found out like which photo really converts the best and gets me the lowest cost per purchase. And nowadays, you guys, we just can make a prompt and then ask it to make us a photo. And now we're adding that into our advertisement. And some of these photos are doing better than anything out there. Like, like I said earlier, you had to pay a production team, you had to hire a graphic designer. Nowadays, you can just literally make some really beautiful, high converting ads using Nano Banana or ChatGPT. And that is changing the game for everyone. So whether you're a beginner or advanced or amateur, anyone can get involved and start doing this. I literally just took this amazing photo just now and I turned it into a real live video. You guys saw it right here, just in front of you guys. I literally took this photo right here, okay, this is a beautiful photo, and then I ran it over here on VO3 and I made some amazing looking videos, guys, right here. Take a look at this. This is amazing. Like, I love the technology here and how we're able to do it. It even puts a nice background ocean sound to it as well. That's unbelievable, guys. So this product right here is crushing it. The store is crushing it right here, and this is what we call reverse engineering. If there's someone else out there making 6 figures right now, then we basically reverse engineer what's already working and then make our own store. Like, we can come up with a better name, better videos, better photos, and basically reverse engineer the whole process, you guys. So I hope this video inspired you a little bit today on how people are making money with the AI, using videos and making nice photos and making it into a nice video as well. So this is the future, everyone. I hope you get involved, because you don't want to be learning about this a year from now. You want to be riding the wave now. Get inside now. So for those of you that are excited about getting started with Shopify dropshipping, I've been working with a handful of students like every month now, with the existing students and some new students. But what I've been doing is completely game changer compared to what everyone else out there is doing. They're most likely selling you a course. I have a course. I have step-by-step videos. But what I'm able to do is I'm able to set up your whole Shopify store and run you a winning product where you don't have to go out there and spend months trying to find the winning product. We actually set you up the winning product. We set you up the creatives, your own videos, your own photos and everything. So that way you just basically step back and you're able to focus on your family, what you want to focus on, and that way you're able to really be a business owner without having to get in the trenches and slow you down. So that's the most exciting thing about what I do that's different than any other coaches out there, is that I actually build your guys' house. I build your foundation. And I just recently, this week, I had 2 students back to back doing over $900 a day in sales. 2 students, guys. And Robin and Khadijah. And they're totally they're not experts at this stuff, guys. They're just like, Scott, I love when I have a $900 day. My goal was a $1,000 day, Scott. That really was my goal. And so they're able to hit these numbers. And they don't have to actually be doing everything. They're not running their ads. They're not launching their ads. They're not even doing any of that. I'm basically doing it for them, everybody. So that's the special sauce with working with me. So for those of you that are interested in getting your hands on some of my training and then also getting a call with me, you can book a call with me. You can reach out to me on Instagram as well. And I love to help you guys. This is what it's all about. So I have my own little Calendly link here. You can go ahead and book a one-on-one call, which is, or you can just go ahead and book a little 15-minute call with me. Whichever one you guys want, I'll have the link in the description, and I'll go ahead and show you some of the winning products that are working right now. And if you guys just want to reach out to me on Instagram, you can do that too. You can look me up here, Scott Rayleigh Official, and I would love to help you guys out. Go ahead and send me a message, and we'll go ahead and get on a call. And I'd love to help you guys find that winning product, launch that winning store, or let's say you already have a store and you need help. There's been a lot of changes with Facebook lately with the Android Meta update. And there's been a lot of different people talking about it. And what I found out, it's all about creatives. And what I was telling you earlier is that when you make a lot of different creatives, like photos and videos, you want to put that inside of your account and let Facebook choose what it thinks is going to work the best. So you guys don't want to Facebook is not about you trying to beat Facebook. It's about you giving Facebook enough ammunition, which is videos and photos, and then allowing Facebook to find your winning creative. And before in the past, we would be like, okay, I'm going to give you 2 photos here and 2 videos here, and I'm going to see which one works best. Well, nowadays it's like, no, give it all 10, give it all 15, give it all 6, give it everything you got. And so that's the beauty about using the AI, is we can make different videos and photos and basically give Facebook the very best of the best and then let it figure it out on its own. And then as we see our numbers climb, we get a higher ROAS, return on ad spend, we get a higher CTR, and we don't have to be there fickling and fuddling with our ads all the time. We can basically give the power over to Facebook without us trying to mess it up for us. Like, you know, and that's what most people were doing. They're basically like, you know, I'm going to split test this and split test that. Well, now Facebook's like, look, don't even really give me targeting. Let me go broad and let me figure out what's going to work best for you. And then you're basically setting it up with as many advertisements as you can. So this is the new update, everyone. And my students, they don't even have to learn this stuff. Like, they don't even have to really study this stuff. I'm doing it for them. My team is running their stores for them, you guys. So that's the power of what I'm doing versus what everyone else is doing. I think that that's really what people want at the end of the day. They just really want sales. They want cha-chings on their phone. They don't want to be like trying to learn everything themselves. Yes, they want to learn, but they don't want to actually like struggle and suffer and wait weeks and months to get something going. They want something going as soon as possible, and they want to be rewarded with sales as soon as possible. Because it does take some money to get started, right? You're investing in yourself, you're investing in your business. And if you're just gonna invest but not see a reward within a few weeks or a month, then they're gonna burn out and they're gonna give up. So I pretty much take away that burnout and give out where people want to give up or burn out, and I take that away, because if I'm working with you and you're getting sales, you're gonna stay in the game. You're gonna be like, Scott, I'm working with you for the whole year. And that's what I've been able to do, guys. I have students that continue to re-up with me, re-up and re-up and re-up. It's like, Scott, my 3 months is up, Scott. What do I do? I want to go another 3 months, you know, and next thing you know, okay, we're working for 6 more months and 6 more months. Because that's what I want you guys to feel. I want you guys to win and make money and succeed and not be like burning yourself out. And if I'm able to take that away from you, then you're able to really succeed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson today. Start using the AI, start using the VO3. And if you're looking for a hot winning product, I highly recommend this one here, the Wave Lamp. I think it's a great one, especially as people are going to be indoors more now, like summer's kind of coming to an end. And this is definitely a really cool product that you guys could reverse engineer. And they're selling a 1-pack, a 2-pack, and a 3-pack. And that's exactly what we want to do. We don't want to make money just selling one wave lamp. We want to make money selling 2 or 3 wave lamps. I'm always big into bundles. Bundles are everything. So everyone, I hope you have a great week. Give this video a like. I'll see you on the next training, and go make some money this Q4. It's here right now. Q4, everyone. This is the best time of year to set up your own Shopify store. Don't let this time pass over you. You want to get started. I got started my first Shopify store in 2015 in September. And I came home from an event getting sales on my phone like crazy with this heart ring. And I had no idea how to set up my shipping settings. I had no idea like even how to send the product out. It was all new to me, but I just had a dream and a desire to sell on Shopify, and it became a dream reality. It became a whole transformation in my life with that store, doing millions of dollars in sales. My first Shopify store, guys. So it was incredible, life-changing money, and I can't wait for you guys to experience something really similar with your own Shopify store leading into Q4. That was when I got started. It was right around September. You guys are getting started the same time. It's the best time to get started. So I hope you guys are excited. Let's go explode our sales. Let's go make some money, and let's have some fun this summer. This winter, I mean. I know winter's coming. Summer, bye-bye. I feel bad about it. I love the summer, so I'm not much of a winter guy.